Okay, so I'm making gumbo. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. You'll need shrimp. I prefer the raw ones. I will thaw these out, clean them, and take the tails off. You need your trinity, which is celery, onions, and bell peppers, already chopped up. Smoked sausage. I like to use smoked sausage instead of andouille sausage. Andouille, it gives you the spice, but this is good for kids. You're going to need the oil and some flour to make the roux. And here is the chicken thighs. I think they do better and have more flavor. I do the boneless chicken thighs. And typically you could add okra and crab legs in here as well. But I don't have the okra. So here's to gumbo. I have my cast iron skillet heating up right there. We're going to start making this roux. Now I've poured some oil into the skillet, not too much, but enough. And so we're going to start adding the flour here, and we're going to keep mixing until it gets to be a dark peanut butter color. So take some time, but here we go. So now we have the flour here, in here. We're going to keep moving it so that it will thicken up as well as get dark. So we wanted a dark peanut butter color. Right now it looks like a light color. So I'm going to add a little more flour. And we're going to mix it in like this. Turn it. So we're almost there. It's getting to a dark peanut butter color, but we're not there yet. So, there you go. Okay, so it's now at a dark peanut butter color, thickens up. I'm going to add some celery, onions, and bell pepper to it. There it is. So now I've added some celery, onions, and my bell peppers, and they're going to cook in this. My fire's on low heat. I'm going to let that keep going, and I'm going to keep stirring it up. As it cooks, it's going to get darker, as you see. Now it is a dark color. It is good to go. I've turned the fire off. I'm going to move this to the side. This will go into the stock pot. To start the gumbo, maybe you'll add, some water to it, or you can do chicken stock or chicken broth to it to give it a little bit more flavor.
I got a bag of peas.
I forgot you need chicken broth.
I got a bag
Or water.
of peas.
So now we have the roux mix with all your bell peppers and onions and celery in there with the chicken broth in the pot. And I have my chicken thighs, seasoned, and I'm going to add them there. More of my onion and bell pepper, some garlic powder.
Yeah, leave it up, Naya.
Slap your mama. Good old Lowry's. Not that. Onion powder. Where is that? And that's basically it. So I have my seasonings in there. I have my Slap Your Mama, my garlic powder, onion powder, Lowry's, a little of that, and some parsley. That's all that's in there, mixed with my onions, bell peppers, celery. So it's been cooking. I've added a little water, and it's cooking. I just continue to stir. I got my sausage cut up. Pretty much smoked sausage are already done. So I'll add those in there here shortly and let everything just cook.
My turn. Oh, yes, your turn.
So the gumbo is pretty much been cooking. The chicken thighs are almost there. They are easily breaking apart. As you see, I can break them apart. So they're already started. So I'm going to go ahead and add the shrimp. And I'm going to add the crab legs. So everything is in here. Crab legs, shrimp. And this is where you would add the okra. If you would add the okra if you wanted to put okra in there. My husband does not like okra, so we're not putting it in there.